We each have a responsibility as a member of the global Marriott family to ensure that our company's culture remains strong and vibrant.
We have over 700,000 people around the world wear the Marriott badge. Many different cultures, over 120 countries. And so when you're trying to bring a brand to the marketplace and to have a consistent expression of that brand, how you reach your employees and how you resonate with them becomes very important. Everybody around the world wants to feel appreciated and valued. They want to feel part of an organization that embraces them, and they want to feel proud about their company.
We pride ourselves in having an amazing and strong culture here at Marriott. I think an element of that fabric of our culture is internal promotions and really helping individuals achieve all that they want to achieve in their careers and us helping them in any way that we can. If there is someone that has the career desires to be a leader one day or to take on more, we want to make sure that we're providing where that learning, that development, that training, what they need, when they need it, how they need it.
We're encouraged to spend time with our young leaders and our associates to really develop a career path for them.
There's nothing that makes me more proud of seeing, that hourly associate rise up to the ranks and become that general manager and then secure an awesome and amazing opportunity here.
I've met so many people who have told me that once they entered the doors of that hotel, one of our locations, they were able to find at Marriott the opportunity to build a better life for themselves and for their family.
We really are encouraging our associates to figure out who they want to be and how we can help them get there.
We really do believe in putting people first and investing in our talent, and I feel like I have been a recipient of that.
We do a lot to promote the well-being of people and a lot to promote better society. That has always struck me as so significant, and it makes me think about not just the day-to-day work, but the more strategic, long-lasting, meaningful things that we do to contribute to the world.
As a company, we are getting back to the basics and using the little things we do each and every day to make each other feel welcomed and valued. We will continue to devote ourselves to promoting a culture of inclusion and opportunity everywhere we do business in the world. There will always be a warm welcome and opportunity for everyone at Marriott.